Greetings. If subtitles are unavailable for a video, you can download them directly from PotPlayer. First, set the subtitle search settings. Right-click on the player. Subtitles. Subtitle searching. Online subtitle search settings. Set criteria for auto search. And after searching, keep the checkbox of subs with the exact file name. Choose Subtitle Providers and click OK. To download subs, right-click on the player. Subtitles. Subtitle searching. Download subtitles. Click the Search by Title button to start downloading. Select the desired subtitles. Click Save Checked Once button. Finally close. The subtitles file in the selected language has been downloaded.